I think almost all of you may have seen the left hand arm wrestling video of Levan Saginashvili and Devon Lerad. Before talking about the main topic, let's quickly discuss about this pulling. So many are saying that Devon got exhausted before pulling Levan and Levan came to arm wrestle later when Devon was saying Levan will not pull. So yes, it can be true because it is possible Devon could do better if he was fresh. Why I feel it? Because sometimes 1 to 5% strength matters a lot. Maybe by that 1 to 5% strength, he could stop Levan at least near the pads through his King's move. Now a lot of people started questioning Devon's ability right after seeing Levan dominating Devon in left hand. Guys, Levan used to be in top names in the left-handed arm wrestling ranking. His left hand wrist got injured, so he quit competing with his left arm. And it is also neither a money arm nor a popularity arm. But Devon's left is a lot weaker than his right arm, and it is from the beginning. Even before his punking training, Devon's left was not as strong as his right. So it would be totally unfair to compare current Devon's form from that left hand pulling. Now let's talk about the main topic. We all know that Levan got injured. His right hand wrist got injured a few months later, and before Hermes vs Devon, many were believing Hermes had a chance to beat Levan Saginashvili in a rematch. But after Devon's victory, that hope is on Devon. And also, yes, Denis and Vitali is also there. Since almost every YouTuber is questioning if Levan Saginashvili will return as strong as he went, or will his wrist be same. But let's look this from another perspective. You may know that Levan is taking stem cell treatment from the same Vitacell Biologics from which Devon Lerad got the treatment. And if this treatment work as effective as they work for Devon Lerad, don't you think Levan Prime will continue for a few more years to come? And technically Prime Levan is still undefeated, and if things go good for Levan Saginashvili, he may remain undefeated for many years to come. Well, I think now he should consider competing with his left also. He can be in top 5 easily. By the way, comment down whom do you think who will be the first person to defeat Prime Levan Saginashvili. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.